Hey guys, welcome to Natural Village Talks. How is everyone? I am fine. First time visitors, please subscribe my channel and give your support. I have come to you today with a good topic that is how to get a subscription in Cambly. I can tell, please listen carefully end of the video. Now I am going to tell the how to get the Camly minutes with small amount means 1 year 1 month subscription. I want to choose the 1 month subscription that is now. Camly was the ones who gave us a good offer. This is Black Friday time. That's why I want to subscribe the 1 month plan. Just this plan without discount 2600, with discount 2100 only. Actually this offer weekly 30 minutes means 1 year 1 month we have 4 weeks. I will get the 120 minutes means 2 hours. You want to like this offer, you can choose this option. And you don't want to like this, you can your wish that is you the Camly. This allows you to learn English very quickly. Must to subscribe, and you should talk with foreigners, and you should talk tutors, native tutors. They will give the some suggestions also. I learned a lot from using it. That's why I'm telling you. If you also want to learn a lot, be sure to subscribe to it Camly, because through this we talk to them directly. They give us advice and even tell jokes also. Already completed my subscription. Now I am getting OTP. You can wait, and I am typing my OTP also. Just wait. It will be take time. I can't show my OTP. That's why I blur this image. Just wait. I got the one mail that is Camly, to given Camly. My payment is successfully. Just wait. This is also Camly mail. Take a look at it, and you too will get it whenever you will subscribe the Camly 1 month plan, or 3 months, or 1 year plan. Just wait. And I got 30 minutes. Now I can practice with tutors. Minutes also available today, 30 minutes. It's this 30 minutes validity only 24 hours. Afterwards it will be removed, and they will reject that 30 minutes. That's why you can talk with tutors within 24 hours. Afterwards you will lose the 30 minutes. First time also I lost. uh, I talked with them only 15 minutes. Afterwards I keep the 15 minutes, and after one day I lost that 15 minutes. You also don't do that. Just I am searching good tutor. So many members here available. I want to choose one good tutor. You can wait. Yes, D Foster. I am calling him. I am waiting for him. It will be take time few minutes for tutor to become available. Here also showing. Just wait. Yes, and I got. I am talking with her. It is a wonderful platform learning the English. You will learn the English very quickly. They will give the suggestions and everything they will give us. That's why I am telling you. I am getting everyday subscribers with Camly, and this is how I rise my YouTube channel subscribers. Also, please, also you can also try, and you should start the one YouTube channel. Also, you should upload every day one video or thrice one video. It will be better to you. YouTube helps us in many ways. Means we will get the first time 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours. They will give the monetizations also. It requires 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours. When that conditions we will reach there, we should get the monetization and we should get the ads on our videos, and one ad they will give the money, means they will give the dollar. Call me anytime if you want to talk to me. I can give the suggestions how to use the Camly, and how to get the free minutes, and how to get the subscription plans. Also, I will give the suggestions. Through this Cambly app, I am being introduced to new people in this video conversation. I am also learning new things with them. I started one group also, a WhatsApp group, that is Cambly Speaker. A group related to English was created. Anybody want to join that group? I given description that link also. Please join, and you should start your conversation with your friends.